The Seven Planes of Existence, a journey through reality. Welcome to this deep dive into the concept of the seven planes of existence. In this video, we will explore the ancient wisdom that describes reality as layered into different vibrational frequencies. This framework is found in various spiritual traditions, including theosophy, Hermeticism, and mystical philosophies. Understanding these planes can help us expand our consciousness and navigate life with a greater sense of purpose. 1. Understanding the concept. The idea of multiple planes of existence suggests that reality is not just the physical world we experience with our senses. Instead, it is composed of different dimensions, each operating at its own vibrational frequency. These levels range from the densest matter to the highest spiritual awareness. Each plane interpenetrates the others, meaning they are not separate locations, but rather different states of being. Through meditation, intention, and spiritual practice, individuals can access higher planes of awareness. 2. The seven planes of existence. 1. The physical plane. This is the material world we inhabit, governed by the laws of physics, time, and space. Our bodies, nature, and the tangible universe exist here. Science, biology, and chemistry define how things operate. Growth comes through physical experience and overcoming challenges. 2. The astral plane, the realm of emotions, dreams, and psychic energy, where consciousness travels during sleep and deep meditation. Thought forms and energetic imprints exist here. Many report experiencing this plane in near-death or out-of-body experiences. 3. The mental plane, the domain of thought, knowledge, and intellect. Here, ideas and beliefs shape reality before manifesting in the physical world. Mindfulness, clarity, and intellectual growth allow deeper interaction with this plane. Scientists, philosophers, and creators draw inspiration from this plane. 4. The Buddhic plane, the plane of higher intuition, unconditional love, and spiritual insight, where personal identity merges with universal love and wisdom. This is often accessed through deep states of meditation, enlightenment experiences, and transcendental states. Saints, enlightened beings, and high spiritual teachers operate from this plane. 5. The Atmic plane, the realm of pure spiritual will and purpose. Here, the soul recognizes its divine mission. This is where one aligns completely with the flow of the universe. It is the seat of self-realization and cosmic consciousness. 6. The monadic plane, the plane of divine unity and soul collectiveness. At this level, all individual souls recognize themselves as part of one greater existence. Access to this level brings a deep sense of purpose and interconnectedness. 7. The divine plane, the ultimate source, pure oneness, beyond duality. The level of absolute consciousness, where there is no separation between the self and the universe. Some traditions refer to this as God, the Tao, Brahman, or the Absol Three. How to access higher planes. Meditation. Practices like mindfulness, breath work, and deep contemplation help in raising awareness. Lucid dreaming and astral projection. Learning to consciously navigate the dream world. Spiritual study. Reading wisdom texts and engaging in discussions on consciousness. Energy work. Practices like Reiki, Qigong, or chakra balancing help align one's energy to higher planes. Service and compassion. Unconditional love and selfless service naturally elevate the soul to higher awareness. Understanding the 7 planes of existence provides a roadmap to spiritual growth and a deeper connection with the universe. Whether you explore these planes through meditation, contemplation, or life experience, the journey is one of self-discovery and expansion.